Hi, everyone. In today's series of Did You Know, I want to introduce you to Maggie L. Walker. Maggie Walker is an extraordinary woman who broke all barriers. She was the first female bank president of any race. Let me tell you, her bank, St. Luke Penny Savings, helped many African Americans save and invest. So, here's an idea. During this Black History Month, why not open a savings account with your child? Make it a fun adventure, almost like a rites of passage. You can talk about Maggie's story and how saving money is both important and exciting. So let's inspire our kids to dream big just like Maggie did.